Hello guys, let's talk about nodal analysis. In this video, I will be telling you guys how to perform nodal analysis on a circuit, when to perform nodal analysis, the types of questions that have been asked in previous years regarding UPSC engineering services and GATE exam. And as you know that engineering services and GATE together are the mummy papa of all the exams regarding electrical engineering. So this is a must video to be watched. After watching this video, you will be able to solve nodal analysis questions with quickness and accuracy. So let's get started. In this video, I will not be discussing all the questions, but the focus is on the types of questions that have been asked. Okay, so after watching this video, you can solve any question regarding nodal analysis from any exam. Okay, so this is a must video to be watched. The first question we are having over here is from ESC prelims in the year 2018. This is your required circuit diagram, and what they are asking is the current through this element 1 ohm resistance. Okay, they are asking you is what is the value of I passing through this 1 ohm resistance over here. So the key term you have to keep in mind is, first thing first, current through any element. Okay, if they are asking current through any element, that means you have to apply nodal analysis. Or if they are asking voltage of a particular node, okay, then you have to apply nodal analysis. Okay, so these are a few keywords to be kept in mind that are straightforwardly telling you that you have to apply nodal analysis. So the first thing first is take a reference node. A reference node is a node which is connected to most parts of the circuit. Okay, here you see, if I take this node, it is connected to this part, this part, this part, and this part. Okay, make sure you take that node which is connected to most parts. Here I am taking this one because it is also connected to the component under question. Okay, this is the component which is asked in our question, and it is connected to this as well, so this is a plus point. When you take a reference node, you assign a reference voltage, suppose V0. Okay, this is what we are going for. This is your reference node along with the reference voltage V0. Now what we are doing is, we are taking V0, we are writing down the KCL equation. This is your V0, and we are taking this part into consideration. What we are doing is, we are writing KCL equations. Current, sum total of all the currents, incoming currents and outgoing currents is same. Okay, so you see that these are providing current in such direction, while this is providing current in opposite direction. Okay, when you mark your node, you mark your reference node, make sure you also make this terminal ground. Okay, this is connected to ground. So you have current flowing from this direction, and this direction, and then this one is opposing it. So what we are doing here is, we are doing this part over here. So what you do, this is your V0. Okay, so we write it down as V0. Okay, you move from here to here. Okay, and the terminal you are facing is positive terminal. Okay, you are going from this way to this way, you are facing a positive terminal, so we are writing negative sign, and the value of your voltage 2, and then the value of resistance. You go from this way to this way, this is the resistance you are meeting in the path, okay, towards this voltage source. So you are writing this V0 minus this voltage upon this resistance. Okay, then plus, you are moving from this way to this way, and you are meeting with a positive terminal. So what you are doing is V0 minus 3. Your positive terminal leads here to a negative sign. Okay, and the resistance you are meeting is 2 ohm over here. Then we are taking this one into consideration. Here you see, this is ground, so it is V0 minus 0. Okay, and the resistance you are meeting with is 1 ohm equals to, okay, this is your current alone. There is no voltage source, there is no resistance, straight away current. Okay, so you put the current straight away like this. this is your required nodal equation for this particular circuit over here. It is pretty easy and nothing to be worried about. Okay, when you take your reference node, from reference node you move to your voltage source. Okay, this one, you are getting a positive terminal over here, so you are writing a negative sign, and vice versa. Okay, keep that in mind, it is vice versa. Okay, you are going from this terminal to this voltage source and you are meeting with the positive terminal over here, so you are placing a minus sign, and the resistance you are meeting midway is 2 ohm. Okay, then what you are doing is you walk from this reference node to this particular voltage source. You are meeting with a positive terminal again, so again you are putting minus sign over here, V naught minus this your voltage source. Okay, and the resistance you are meeting is 2 ohm, this one, and then you are going for this way, this branch. This is connected to the ground, so it is V naught minus 0, and the resistance you are meeting is 1 ohm. And then you are going this way, this is the current given to you, there is no voltage source, there is no resistance, it is straight away current given to you, so you put it straight away. After solving this particular equation, you get V naught as 2.25 volts. Okay, this is your reference node voltage. Okay, now we have to find out the current through this branch. Now what is happening over here, you know the voltage. Okay, from this equation you have calculated the value of V naught, so you know the voltage over here, and the resistance is known. Only unknown thing over here is the current. You know from Ohm's law that V equals to I into R, and I equals to V upon R. In this particular scenario here, it is your required current is V naught by R. Okay, so the value of V naught is 2.25 and the value of resistance is 1 ohm over here. Hence the required current is 2.25 amperes. Okay, make sure that you mention this unit very well. Okay, what you people do is in the mains exam you don't write the unit. Okay, you don't mention the formula. Okay, these are the mistakes you do in mains questions. They are asking either 10 mark question or 15 mark question or 20 mark questions. Okay, so you need to mention the data, because in different books there are different symbols regarding different stuff. Okay, they are not mentioning the same stuff, where K means something, and in other book they are mentioning this K with A or anything other variable. So you need to mention the formula along with what each and every symbol in the formula stands for. You need to write it down separately. This is the reason why most people, when they go for a 10 mark question or 15 mark question, even though your answer is correct, you are only able to score 7 marks or 6 marks. Okay, this is what you get, and this is the reason why there is a poor performance in ESC mains exams. Okay, and also IAS mains exam if you are taking electrical engineering as your optional subject. So keep this in mind and make it a habit of writing down the formula and writing down what each formula stands for and the unit of your answer. Okay, so that there is a positive impact on the person who is checking your copy, and he is giving you full 10 marks, not 7 or 6 marks. Okay, you are letting the person to cut your marks. Okay, you have worked so hard and let you are allowing the person to cut your marks. Okay, this is not the way, and keep this particular thing in mind. So this is all for the very basic question that has been asked in ESC prelims, and if you can do it, you can do the most of the questions, but still in next video I will be telling you one or more types of questions. Stay tuned.